The layouts that feel the most professional often use alignment so well that viewers never even notice it. Today, how to create precision alignment layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft neutral background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject becomes the focal point. Add 3 supporting frames around the main image and position them with equal spacing. Apply soft shadow effects to all frames and reduce the blur settings until they feel natural. Duplicate the primary